We all have baggage. We have laptop cases, purses, and gym duffels. We have bags for work and bags for fun. But it seems like each of these bags only carry one thing. Introducing the Origami bag, a new, extremely versatile way to carry everyday objects. The Origami bag makes all those others obsolete. It removes the stress and the expense of needing a different way to carry every specific thing. The Origami bag uses an ingenious patented fabric called magnetic microfiber to transform into any shape you need. The material behaves like a magnet, with the two different sides sticking to each other. The bond is so strong, a small piece can pick up this 50-pound kettlebell, and while it's softer than terry cloth, it can hold its own, and then some. This one bag is designed to fit anything inside it and transform into any shape you can imagine. Origami bag does it all, from transporting your stuff to protecting your belongings. And at 35 inches square, there's plenty of room for you to get creative. Origami bag is a stylish fashion piece, as well as the perfect travel companion. Or stay comfortable during a long flight. Origami bag provides full neck support, unlike traditional neck pillows. Then seamlessly transforms into a blanket, and finally back into a bag. Origami bag helps you do everything you love. So no longer do you need a different bag for every occasion. And to go along with the Origami bag, we have created the Origami band for smaller applications. Wrap a layer of protection around your electronics. or use it to keep any of your smaller belongings wrapped up and safe. So let your imagination go wild and look good doing it by backing the game-changing Origami bag today.
HEBI Robotics would like you to meet Igor. Igor is a wheeled, self-balancing teleop robotic kit with 14 degrees of freedom and a host of robotics control techniques. A robotics PhD in a box. He comes equipped with code that enables balancing and teleop manipulation. His chassis includes a computer, hot swappable batteries, Wi-Fi endpoint, and the option for tethered power. Igor can help with a range of research applications, including mobile manipulation, motion control, balance, and human-robot interaction. Built with HEBI's series elastic actuators that sense, control, and react to torque, Igor is compliant and interactive. The actuator's sensors include an IMU, accelerometer, and gyroscope, and each actuator supports continuous rotation. Positional and orientation data from the modules in Igor's torso are used by the modules in the ankles to perform an inverted pendulum. Igor's arms each have 4 degrees of freedom for manipulation. While you control Igor, you'll also be logging every single sensor. Like all HEBI robotics kits, Igor is configurable. Add modules and accessories to customize Igor to fit your research requirements. Thanks, Igor.